the model of Golden Temple.
My name is Sunakshit from grade 4. Today I am exhibiting Mysore Zoo. The Mysore Zoo are the Sri Charmrajendra Zoologically Garden is the most popular zoo in Karnataka and is the one of the oldest zoo in our country. The zoo is home for 1,450 species of animals and is the 168 species of birds belonging to 25 countries. Thank you.